hello, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hoping you're all doing fantastic. Welcome for another episode of VLOGMAS. Thank you so much for being here. It really means a lot to me. So, guys, today I'm really excited to do this video. As you can read from the title, I will be unboxing my first ever package from YouTube. So today I received a package from YouTube Black. I recently told you in a recent video that I joined the YouTube Black community, and we are currently having some virtual events which I'm really enjoying. Today we had our first session with Tayo Aina, and it was really insightful. So during the session I received a package, and I'm just so eager to open it with you guys. I've already unboxed, or I've already opened, but I'm not really removed the stuff from inside the box. So let's quickly get into unboxing. So held this kifuniko. The first thing that is in here is a letter, Boss and Bloom, and I'll read it. Boss and Bloom, we are storytellers. Thank you for being a part of the Boss and Bloom community. Let this moment be a turning point for you to commit to becoming your most empowered self, stepping into the fullest expression of your light, and working towards even the dreams which seem impossible. We encourage you to connect beyond YouTube events too, as we know that collectivism helps us achieve more together through collaboration. We look forward to supporting you further while sharing in your journey. Team YouTube. Continue the conversation. Hashtag YouTube Black. Hashtag Boss and Bloom. So during today's session, we actually got to interact with people from across Africa. That's Nigeria, South Africa, Ghana, and Kenya. And I've actually got to meet some new Kenyan YouTubers whom I never knew before, and we are now currently talking. And this is what YouTube Black is actually encouraging, that we should, as collaboration and helps us achieve more, and that's what they're really aiming with this whole event we are having. So on to the package very quickly. First off is Hot Cocoa Classic Smooth Velvety Chocolate. This looks yummy. Can't wait to try this. I will definitely be sharing it with my family. Number 2, we have this double chocolate shortbread cookies from Sugar Baked. I've always wanted to try their cookies, and finally they're here. Then you all can see. Yeah, finally. In fact, I don't know if I should take one right now. I will because I can. Wow. Thank you so much, YouTube Black. On to item number 3. We have this carrier oil, olive extra virgin luscious touch. Wanajua mimi ni mtu napenda skincare, so this will really come in handy. Can't wait to try this. Smells heavenly. I also got this Energy of Fruits hand cream in the pineapple flavor. This is a hand cream. Can't wait to try this as well. This was just like a self-care package. These are bath bombs. Can't wait to try this very soon. A video is coming up soon as I'll be trying this. Can't wait to try them. The bath bombs. We also have this. Open and see. It's a scented candle. Honestly, this one is for lighting it up when you're having a self-care session. Wow. And this looks like a candle holder. They also sent me some 2 candles. So I think you just put this one in here and light it and just enjoy the burning of the candle. I really don't know what this is. Looks like a scent. I don't know what this is, but this is what I also got. I'm going to find out what this is that they sent me. I don't know if I've shown you this, but this is it has this candle. I think you put it inside, then the smoke comes from here. Yep, this one doesn't have a scent. They also sent me a succulent. So I think I'm going to give my mom this coffin. Yep. Thank you so much. And lastly, it is package Unlocking Self-Love by Mudoni Joba, Self-Love Journal. Yay! Plus like a pen to help you journal. I honestly can't wait to start journaling. Hi love, the best gift you could give yourself is your own love. When you accept and truly appreciate yourself as you are, then nothing and no one can make you doubt yourself. Very true. Can't wait to just go through this journal. I'll be showing you my journey with journaling. Yeah. Thank you so much, YouTube Black. Yeah, and that was all that was in our package. I can't wait to share with you guys what we are learning during the sessions. The information over there is really, really insightful and very important. Also, I really want to thank you guys for always consuming my content, watching what I always have to offer you. It's because of you that I'm able to learn or rather find myself in such forums that are really educational and of great benefit to me. So thank you so much for tuning in to watch this video. Kindly get to like, share, comment, and if you to this channel, please subscribe for new videos each and every single day. See you on the next episode of VLOGMAS. Bye.